Hey guys, it's Harry here from Tentworld Ferntree Gully, and today I am so excited to show you the new companion Pro Nano X2 cooking system. This is a very minimalist, versatile, lightweight system that is perfect for anyone going hiking or someone that's going camping and doesn't want to take too much stuff with them. So let's get right into it. So I want to run you through a couple of things that you actually get once you open this up. This is going to be the main system here. Couple of features, as you can see, we have the folding handle here. We have the insulated cover here on the top. We have the actual burner itself where you connect the gas bottle to. You've got your fuel control or your heat control down the bottom here. You've got a little cartridge stand that it comes with. And finally, a pot stabilizer. So let's get into the specifications a little bit. This pot and burner here, this whole system, weighs about 520 grams. And talking about the pot, this has a 1.2 litre capacity. So some specifications in terms of how quickly it boils water and its fuel. It is going to boil 500 mils of water in about 2.5 minutes. And a 100 gram gas cartridge is going to last about 73 minutes, which is going to equate to 17 litres of boiled water. So some gas cartridge like this that is 460 grams is going to last you ages and boil heaps of water, which makes it really, really easy to not have to take much away with you when you're going camping. I'm going to measure out roughly 500 mils, give or take. Luckily, there is actually a measuring cup on the inside here. All I'm needing for this is 125 mils, but I want to test out that 500 mils to 2.5 minutes boiling time. So we'll pour it in. And as you can see on the side there, we've got that little dash for 500 mils, which I've gotten pretty close to. So to turn it on, what we're going to do is we're going to turn that gas adjuster I talked about before, and there's got inbuilt ignition in here. So twist this, click that ignition button. We'll chuck the lid on top and that's going to help it boil. Now let's wait 2.5 minutes and see how it is. As you can see, the steam is coming out, which is a clear tell that this is starting to boil. So let's turn it off and we will pour the water into our food packet. So as you can see, Harry's cooking show was a grand success yet again. Here is our chicken tikka masala, all cooked up, put into a bowl to show you how it looks. That is all today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, just feel free to check us out online or in store, and happy camping.